So we took a different biscuits, as you can see, and after that we took all the biscuits together and put it in the mixing jar.
Stay afloat is nicer. Be a person you don't
And then we made a fine powder out of it,
take me other thing going to do.
and then we will add 2 Enos packet and we will mix it thoroughly.
Where's my shot? Who is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life that
So we took 300 gram of milk, and slowly we will be adding this milk in this fine powder, and we have to make the water out of it. Make sure that you have to put the milk slowly to avoid the lumps. What would happen if you will add all the milk together? So the water will not come and the lumps will come out, and it will create the problem for baking the cake.
behind me?
So you have to keep stirring like that, as I am doing. So here is the final batter, you can see. So we took a pan for baking the cake and grease it with oil and butter paper, and we put it some dry fruits in the bottom of the pan. So we will transfer all this batter in that for baking the cake.
Behind me.
For baking it, we took this tawa and we will put it this pan on it, and we have to cook it around 40 to 50 minutes on the low flame. Now the product is ready. We have to take it out this, and we have to take it out this butter paper.
Where's
We will apply some chocolate sauce on the top of it, and we made this with the help of chocolate and caster sugar, and we heat it up and melt it and apply it on the top, and we garnish with some dry fruits. Now you can see this is the final product. Now it's ready to serve. Guys, must try at your home during this lockdown if you are getting bored. And even though we don't require much ingredient for baking this cake, so stay happy, stay tuned. Thank you.